How to handle repeated failures. Now, there is no famous personality that you might have heard who has never failed. Failure is simply a part of life. It's a good technique to take failures positively. So, how can you do it? One good idea is to learn from your failures. Second good idea is to find an area of improvement. Every failure helps us understand what are our weakness, and that should be a right way to deal with the failure. The next important thing is most of the time when we handle failures, we get nervous, we get unsatisfied with the fact that we are not performing well. And if that happens over a prolonged period of time, probably it lowers our self-esteem. So a good way is to identify first thing that failures are part of life. We have to take them positively, and once you have identified them, work for the betterment. The next time probably you can fail again, but with a lesser margin. So this is a way of constant improvement. So handle your failures positively, and that's the only way to be successful.